Guys, here is a New Holland 256 bar rake. It's got a couple of non-factory welds, one up there on the frame. That's really about the only spot, I guess. Both tires are driving. The gearbox is nice and tight. It's full of grease. The end bars are good. It's got pretty good teeth on it. Really nothing else to say about it. It's a jack and hitch style. These cranks are still pretty good. Both sides. I'm gonna run it for you. It runs fairly quiet. I'm doing this by myself again, so I'm gonna try to get it all in one take here. Run it all, guys. We're gonna have it for sale right here. 8.5 foot working width. Have any questions? Give us a call.